Do you get distracted by videos on YouTube? Do you want to boost your productivity? Here's a short and simple trick on how to boost your productivity on YouTube. Hi, my name is Rish and I'm from the channel Learning Science and Mathematics. I share my knowledge by creating videos on advanced topics in mathematics, physics, and computer science. So let's dive deep into how to boost your productivity on YouTube. Now, before we talk about how to actually do and apply this trick onto your computer, let's talk about how the end result will look like. So when you go in to type YouTube, you'll automatically get a link that leads to your favorite channel. Now, this channel will ultimately boost your productivity because if you do get distracted, then you'll probably look at the videos that will help you learn something new or will help boost your productivity. Now, if you won't get distracted, then you'll just go on to type what you're going to do into the YouTube search bar, and then you'll get your results, and then you'll progress from that. So this will ultimately help boost your productivity, and this has helped me a lot. So let's dive into how to actually apply this onto your computer. The main problem with YouTube is that when you search up youtube.com, you see a lot of unnecessary videos that distract you from your main intentions. Now, this is okay when you want to look for something entertaining or interesting. But when you actually want to learn something new, this can be quite a problem. So here's a quick and easy solution to how to resolve that problem. So first, open up Chrome. Now, clear your browsing data. And it's important to realize to put the time range to all time. Once you clear your data, close Chrome and reopen. Now, go to YouTube and find a YouTube channel that you really like and will ultimately boost your productivity and help you learn something new. Now, I'm going to put my YouTube channel as an example. Now, youtube.com/@sci-math. This is the shortened link for my YouTube channel. Now, as you can see, we come to my channel. Now, open a new tab and type the same thing again, youtube.com/@sci-math. Now, this has to be your channel, or the channel that you like specifically, and will ultimately boost your productivity. Now that I've done this, I'm going to X out of Chrome itself, and I'm going to quit Chrome. Once I've done this, I'm going to reopen it. Now, when I type Y, I automatically get the link. And when I click enter, I go to the channel that I mainly like. Now, it's important to realize that this specific trick is very effective because if you want to search something about a math topic, science topic, or any topic in general, if you go to the YouTube homepage, you'll see some unnecessary content that will distract you. Now, this has benefited me a lot personally because when I go and search into YouTube, and when I get this hyperlink that goes to my channel, I won't get distracted by a lot of unnecessary videos on YouTube, and I can focus on what I actually want. And even if you do get distracted, you'll get distracted on a channel that will ultimately boost your productivity and help you learn something new. Okay, thank you, and I hope you learned something new, and I hope you use this trick to boost your productivity on YouTube. I hope you liked this video, and I hope it boosted your productivity as it did for me. Thank you for watching, and remember to click the subscribe button and ring the notification bell for any more updates on any videos that I post. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next video.